I went back to my company. I'd only been working for them a few months, told them we needed to increase our price. It was the best and final offer. They took some persuading, but we did. We increased our price so that we could price in some more safety reassurance, some more assurance around safety. And we won that deal. It was worth more than $30 million Australian per year, about 20 million US. It's been running for 8 years now. So a very valuable piece of business. And it was won because I heard a story, because I went down to the moment in time to get the story so that I really understood what was going on. And with that story, I was able to persuade my own company that they should change how they did their bid. And I was also able to much better understand my client. So we tell stories to get stories. The purpose of a success story is not just to pass information about our company and about how their clients can succeed. It's to get from them how things are in their company and to really understand by hearing their story.